Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. We are going to now write the number that represents the base 10 blocks. So we're going to write the number of tens and ones in the correct box. So the first thing you're going to do is click the microphone, and then you might want to click the pencil just because the boxes are a little small. So they're asking how many towers of 10 are there? So if I look, there is one tower of 10. So there is one tower of 10, so I'm going to write a 1. And then how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 4 ones. There's 1 10, so there's one group of 10, and then 4 ones. If I come next door, there is one stick of 10, so I'm going to write it 1, and then we're going to count how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So one stick of 10, write a 1, and then 6 ones, write a 6. That makes the number 16. If I go back to that first one, that makes the number 14. So I'm going to do that for all of these and then click the green check mark and send it to your teacher.